Hi, it's me again with Corel Rough Tips and Tricks. This is part 4 of this paint rack can holder and shelf, and I would have never dreamed. I'd almost asked the gentleman to send me pictures if he cut it out, because I did send him the file, and I'm talking about 4 hours ago I sent him the file, and this is the file if you haven't been paying attention to. I'm a little disappointed in some of the way it came out. It looks like the cans aren't actually, I guess you could get them to sit in that hole. I've actually suggested that he could take a piece of MDF and glue it down, like a 1/2 inch piece, just glue it standing up in front of the cans, and it would help. I'm sure they're staying in there. It evidently worked. He's not and I'm not knocking him because he did it so fast, but he's got some glue cleanup, but looks like it's in a shop or a warehouse, and it's just to hold paint cans, so it doesn't have to be very pretty. I'm just a little anal. I would have had to sand off, and he used the indexing dowels, look like, and there's one there and one there, and if you didn't follow that video, and it's pretty cool. He actually modified it, so I'm glad of that he could do that. He doubled up a piece of MDF into a joint in the back, and with screw holes or nail holes, and he's going to hang it on a wall. It's not going to be that heavy, and it's straight down the weight, and that's plenty strength right there. That's a 1/2 inch piece of wood notched into it, so it's got glue all around it. He might have had to jut, and I'm a little disappointed in that board is above the other board. I hope that didn't cause him a problem, because the other ones aren't. And maybe adjusted that file, I don't know. Anyway, I thank him for sending the pictures, and it does work. If anybody'd like to try it, it's easily to draw, or email me or Facebook me, and I'll get you the file. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.